Always living on the edge.
Look at this guy. He's ready. When he gets ready, when he gets wet, he just
Hops in the camper.
heads up to Walmart. Even live to Walmart. They have plugins for campers, I think.
They got bathrooms, they got everything.
Groceries,
Clothes.
yeah.
Hygiene.
Fuck, I'm Walmart.
Move to Walmart?
Well, move to Walmart. They got everything.
Got somebody to watch your kids all the time, too.
On camera.
Yeah, you ain't gotta buy them toys, just send them to the toy park.
Go play the video game. Back at 3.
The house we're going to, Harley, is creepy. Creepy. They got the doorknobs on backwards.
Oh,
they
yeah,
can
you
lock
told me about
people
that
in
one.
the closets.
I don't know. I guess we'll see if we get a chill for there. I don't know if you did.
will.
Oh, you will.
Promise.
I done been in some creepy ass situations, man.
See that guy broke down Harley? Normally we would help him. Just because it's good karma.
Yeah.
He's on his own today. We got too many houses to look at. And we gotta go to Belvedere. Ballpark, what do you think the camera costs, Harley?
Ballpark. I mean, it depends on which one we're trying to get, you know.
You know what we'll do?
They can range from
We
3.
were on Hustle and Flow where the guy needed the microphone. And give the guy at the pawn shop that girl. We're gonna do that with Mike. And to that lady with the limo company. She's probably got cameras. We'll give her Mike for 20 minutes. Get half off on the camera.
Sounds like a plan. I'm
Yeah,
sure we could get it for
We'll have to get like a hand stabilizer, which is like one of the little handles, and then it has a gyro on the end of it. Well, it's like a one hand, I think. One-handed one. You know?
I seen some at the deals. I've always been to grab them.
See that building back there, Harley? That guy told me one of the smartest things that I've ever heard. One of the truest things. He said he was a millionaire and that he didn't carry no money with him. Maybe $20 or something. Back when I didn't have a lot of money, I always had all my money in my pocket, right? But I'd always spend it. You know what I mean? So today, I don't carry shit. This is all business cards, my driver's license. I don't carry shit. It's a good way to save money. Don't carry them.
Because then you won't be tempted as much.
Nobody can ask you for shit.
You won't be as tempted as much if you don't have it.
And nobody can rob you.
See, Harley, that was my problem just recently. And still.
How much you got on you, Vic?
Not much, probably like $1,000.
I don't have $1 on me.
Yeah, probably like $1,000.
I got all mine on cards.
About $20, man.
Absolutely.
You got a big family going. You gotta have $1,000.
I spend a lot of days just on food and gas and shenanigans.
Shenanigans. Explain to us these shenanigans, brother.
Cigarettes and pop and juice and
Dumb everyday items.
everyday shit. And oil and I don't know, whatever comes up on the day.
Regular shit.
Regular shit.
Damn. So you're telling me, even though you're on camera, you still do all this stuff? Like a normal person?
Absolutely.
No way. Who
You
would have
think
thought?
Mike's gonna start wearing like fancy sunglasses now that people are videotaping?
Yeah.
I bet you Mike winds up with some like
You know what I could do? I could
shades.
I could always purposely like avoid him.
Mike does some of the dumbest shit.
He said something like that. He goofy cat.
Call
He
him.
turns 18. He's almost 50. He turns into 18-year-old. Blink of an eye.
He works out like he's 18. You have to catch these guys working out one morning, Harley. Get video of that. They throw around 300 pounds like it's nothing. 350. Mike does.
Maybe you'll get some girls to stop by.
Mike messes
Stop by
with
the
he likes
videos.
the Mike likes the big girls.
Yeah.
300, 350. That's why he's lifting that kind of weight. Is he wants to be able to do some crazy shit with these girls.
I'm just trying to be fun.
Yeah. Yeah.
This house last sold for 75 grand or something. I got it for 43,500 bucks. It's about 2 grand worth of cleaning. Hey, probably not even that. Probably 1,000 bucks for paint, doorknobs, cleaning.
Yeah, that last one really didn't need nothing. Didn't seem like it. Like maybe little small stuff, but other than
And it's
that,
listed as code violation, so nobody's gonna buy that fucking thing. All you gotta do is think outside of the box. Just fucking take a chance. This house we're going to, I bought one. I never stepped foot inside it. I walked by. We drove there, looked in the windows, and I made an offer. Everybody wants to look at shit and touch shit and have something inspect it. You don't need to do that. There's nothing you can't fix. YouTube will show you everything.
it's a powerful tool nowadays. That's for sure.
But by the time they pay the inspectors and everybody, they don't.
Right. It adds up.
Yeah.
That's your repair money right there.
Absolutely. Oh, this is a nice house, huh?
Man, I feel like I need that chest harness, bro. Just already. The best weed whacker, your hands.
Nice little backyard.
So this is what we were telling you about, our doorknobs. Look at shit. They're on fucking backwards. Who the fuck were they locking in the closet? What are they doing? I hope this guy didn't have a daycare. He's got a fucking peephole so he can stare into his garage.
Who does he expect to be in his garage?
I never know.
I'll say with tweakers, you never know.
Tweaker. Hey. Hey, found a housekeeping. Save $5.
I had such a weird feeling the first time we came in here. You remember?
You feel anything weird, Harley?
Not yet, but
I mean, I do got a little chill. Just thinking about it.
thinking about.
But I'll show you. I found a house I looked at in the Chesapeake Park not too long ago with another guy that had a cage in the garage. Like, I'll show you legit. One
What the
door,
fuck?
Crawl space.
like padlock thing on the outside.
Wanna throw your light on?
No windows, no doors.
Hey, Vic, did we put that duffel bag in the house?
In there?
Oh, okay, this one's gone.
Oh, what was that in the crawl space?
Oh, just garbage.
Yeah. It's gone?
Yeah, I think. I can't tell.
I don't know. I got some weird vibes from that crawl space. That's
Oh,
for
they're
sure.
all creepy.
Let me see. Is that in there? No.
It sucks you can't throw a light on mid film. I don't know why the phone does like that.
Throw brightness up.
This was the whole back side of the garage.
You have a dog?
No animal smell, no piss odor, nothing. But here's the one door that's got, it had like a deadbolt on the outside, and then this was all built into the wood, and there's no door in there. So I don't know what dude was keeping in that
Did it
cage.
smell like animals?
I
Was that- was that
I figured
still
it
in
for
there?
sure. Yeah, it was a random house. It had a weird vibe to it.
Yeah, they must have got the pictures. I'll have to send you the pictures we got, Harley.
Yeah, I took some too.
It's a bunch of biker pictures.
That sucks I came and got it. I thought maybe we'd get back in time.
Yeah,
Like
we should have gone with the house. Another lock on the door. I guess this one's not quite as creepy. I wonder what that is.
That is a lock.
No,
Blood.
Oh shit. Yeah, just a regular stain, huh? I was talking about the actual closet lock at the feet. There's like an actual lock at the bottom of the closet. So you were talking about locking people in closets. I mean,
Yeah, they got some weird shit going on here.
I guess when the regular handle ones don't work, you got a deadbolt. Keep them in.
Well, it's missing weird shit. Like the mirror and the top of the toilet.
What the hell takes the mirror?
You may have been doing lines off.
I was gonna say probably took it off. Party.
I got a mirror in the bathroom, just pull it off the wall.
People do their houses like they do cars. They get their car report. I want my stereo, I want my air freshener. Yeah, they're taking the mirror. Take stuff there.
But there are some nice redeeming qualities. All this cabinetry looks like it's still usable. All looks like it's in decent condition. Countertops aren't bad either. Backyard's a nice perk.
Deck is good.
Deck is good.
We're gonna pay 55 grand or 43,000 for this house. We're gonna rent it for 1,000 a month after it's fixed. It'll pay for itself. Whatever, 40 whatever months.
But this will be easy to rent.
Way better than a 30-year mortgage.
Yeah. Cool. Thank you, Tim. Thank you.
While we're out of here, brother, we got
Enjoy.
anything else to do?
Great to see you.
Yes, sir. How long do they need before? How long does it take to get an answer on that flood house?
I doubt it'll take too long. I'm gonna get it submitted as soon as I get back to the office, so I've got all the paperwork I need.
Let me know. I'll call you later. Have a good one, Tim. Be safe.
Howdy.
Hey guys, probably thinks we're weird. Got a guy following you with the phone by.
Duck Dynasty? He's one of the guys from Duck Dynasty.
Okay.
Vic is the guy you want to take with you. You're in a boat because he just what the shit he does is crazy. You never broke an ankle?
Sprained them all the time playing basketball.
Yeah. See how that house is on still turning?
Yeah.
When you come over this side, you see it. See, you gotta lift it on cement stilts.
Yeah.
That's all you gotta do. It's like 20 grand, about 1,000 square foot house. And you don't gotta worry about it anymore. This whole area here was totally underwater.
You actually see the water line on the wood fence.
But if you buy a house that doesn't get wet, but it's near the area, get it for anything.
Yeah, I've never seen a logical sense behind the 30 years.
30-year fucking. You never know where you're gonna be in 30 years. Shit, in 10 years. You know how many people got good jobs and get fucking laid off?
Or die. Later family stuck. Homeless.
Fuck that.
I always tell Mike, if he could miss some, I'm gonna try to miss some myself. I'm telling you how I just so happen to see the things that I see.
It's because you're alert. Some things you don't want to see. There goes 2 cars that our customers destroyed. Okay. You guys know how to line it up, right?
Yes,
You just mark the you know, you'll see when you take the hinge off where the other one was.
Mark it.
Yeah, just mark it.
Should we try to use the same hinge or no?
No, you gotta put the new ones on. The junkyard hood's got hinges, right?
Yep.
Yeah, we're gonna want to use them, so you can just line the hole. Let me take a piss and then I'll help you.
Okay, bud. What?
Cut my finger.
Oh, you got a boo boo.
It ain't just a boo-boo, that's some bitch to the bone.
Hey, what you do with that little food out there? We're gonna take this one off. So that that other one goes off.
Take the mother that the ones off?
No, we just gonna take it over there.
Not they bought the mother ones on this one.
These? Oh, well, shit, I wish I would've known that. I would've never took it off.
which one's which one?
Let's see.
No.
Yeah. I'm saying, these are already on, so why wouldn't?
I think it goes like them. Like this, right?
This one, this one goes on.
Big night.
Okay, so this one goes like this. Flip that hood up. So that one goes over there. There you go. Mike.
Yep.
The other way come through.
There you go. Look at this.
We do it all, Harley. Work on cars, work on houses,
A little variety, you know?
got everything.
Best of all worlds.
People just lazy, man. I do everything people don't want to do.
Minor miscalculation.
Right.
A little too much for it, guys.
Mm-hmm.
With the lens. The camera was picking up the face tattoo, the actual tattoo on the arm.
You want those brackets that are already on it, left on it? Yep.
I don't know if you have a good quality tattoo when the camera picks up a face tattoo on his arm.
We've got the best tattoos. And they're all in prison. I went to a tattoo shop and mine sucked.
Okay, I see a problem. It's gonna match.
Oh yeah. We can fix it.
Okay, beat that shit.
Yeah, we just gotta bend it. Let me grab some pliers. Should've got a freaking good light.
Got a nice tool drawer here with a bunch of tools. Keeping them held down
Covered in grease, curly.
because of working.
This sucks. I'm gonna have to. There we go. Okay. That's just a safety latch, so we should be good.
When you stand right here, see how this one?
That is the metal that hooks on. That's the back of it. That should be good. As long as that piece can go in and out, we're good.
Perks to being tall.
And me and Vic are like 5'6" tops.
Yeah, I know, I could just like reach over you guys like, what's up? Got the top down view, kind of see what you're doing over here. It's alright. When we get the real camera, we'll have a stick anyway, so it'll be good for all shots that we need.
Hey, guy that picked up the envoy, he's a nice guy. Was that your uncle?
The guy that picked up the envelope?
We might need the 10 snips, Vic. That'll do it, the 10 snips.
Yeah, he was talking last night. He's gonna make that his his truck. He's gonna kind of do his own thing to it. So I feel pretty confident he's definitely looking to keep that.
Yeah, I'm a fan. I might have a better shot coming in this way. Yeah, this way.
If you don't like being on camera, I can keep you out, or if it doesn't bother you none. Or I just wanted to make sure,
Mike,
I mean, obviously he works for you. Doesn't mean he
Mike
necessarily
has a face for radio.
face for radio.
Hey, Vic, I'm gonna bend this down because I see somebody getting cut.
It's new.
He came prepared.
Go up just a little bit higher.
Yeah, stabilizing while filming. Gotta do what you gotta do.
Fuck, man, I forgot there was no transmission dipstick. I got it.
I pretty much lined it up, Jay. All I did was I just moved it to where it'll be on the same ridge as the hose.
Yeah, that should be good.
Or see, like this. Not like that? Because that's the way I had it on.
Oh shit, this fender kicked out. We didn't do it, the accident did. Try it right there, Vic.
Right there, right here.
Either way. You can always adjust it.
Jensen.
Freaking fender. It rolled.
What if we unloosen these ones, push it up more, and then tighten?
I mean, if you want. I mean, I'm a pretty big guy.
The fender's so thin though, we'll probably bend the fender.
The light is bent in too, though.
Yeah, I noticed that myself.
It's all fucked up. Well, this is broken. That's why this can go anywhere.
Yeah.
We got no
Need to
support.
get some duck spray thrown on the way. It's a surprising cleaner.
Is the hood latch pushed down? Will you grab me a flathead and test and see if it works?
My bad.
Okay, let go for a sec, Vic.
Maybe a pry bar, no?
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna have to get that whole hood latch. We can do what Vic said. Loosen these and see if we can get it to go in a little bit. You know what? It's already in all the way, Vic. See the squares? The only way there is to do that, hold on. See, we need to bend this metal that way.
This one.
Yep.
Mike, squeeze that. Just not
Yeah,
like,
just like that.
like this, like
That's what I was
your
doing.
fingers, yo.
Let's try that. Looks like it moved. Perfect. Now we just need a hood latch. Yeah, that was pretty easy. Yep. We're all good, man. We fixed this headline. Paint the hood and put a hood latch on it when we're golden. Yeah, that looks pretty good. That's really nice.
Think we should paint the hood with it on?
Yeah, no, we'll paint it on. Gotta tear it all.
Something to fry on the head, one?
I'm just lift this lip just a little bit.
Right there?
Just put some touch up paint right there. Victor's a master of metal work. He can massage any dent right out of the door, wood.
Just a little.
Put touch up paint.
Just a little love.
Put these in there, brother.
Sometimes there's extra parts, Harley.
Throw it on the extra parts bin, right?
Really say he's waiting on his babysitter, trying to hope that's alive. Come on, you cocksucker. Agree?
You got this. Come on. Is it in there? Now, was that so difficult?
Hey man, I ain't gonna be sick of all this goddamn.
All right, then don't act like him. Hey, see, he did that. Good to go now.